Do you see all that? Whew. It's Tennessee, baby. We don't do this. This right here is too much. And we are supposed to get anywhere between 5 to 8 inches by this evening. Not only is it snow, but we also have been getting some freezing rain as well. It's crazy out here right now. It's been snowing and sleet and rain for probably the past 24 hours. And it's supposed to continue on. And I know you probably watch the news and you can see the weather stuff and what's going on. But this is crazy. Like, it's so cold right now, and it's so cold that our pipes have frozen. Like, we have no water, so sucks. Ooh. But I'm gonna put some pig food out and feed the goats, give them food so they can get warm from that, give the pigs and everybody else. But yeah, it's been like this now for 24 hours or so. It's been doing this, and it does certainly make doing chores on the homestead a little more difficult, especially since we ain't got no water. We've already gone out, well, the wild one has. We've gone out and got some water from the store, but hopefully our pipes will unfreeze. I don't know if they will. I got heaters going and heat lamps and all that fun stuff. Tucker, go inside. Yes, go inside. It's President's Day. It's cold. Get your Heineken back in there. Get your butt in there. Little chicken's just trying to get out. It may think it wants out. It's cold. I hear you, Max. I don't know why the turkeys are out. They should be pole barn too, but that's what they do. Should go in the pole barn, get warm. Crazies. Here, y'all want some of this? And if you've ever been to the South or live in the South, when it snows like this, everything gets shut down. And I mean, it's not horrible out. The roads are a little slick and whatnot, but the biggest reason for that is because we don't have tons of snow plows and salt trucks and all that good stuff. Honestly, I think we'd be lucky if the county I live in has one truck to scrape. Oh, buck. Oh, goat. Mama, don't even start your stuff. It's a phone, silly. Here. What do you think about all this, goat? What you think, goat? Huh? Oh, goat. What you think, buddy? I know, it's cold. The other day, we went out and got a bunch of straw for the goats and stuff. We knew the weather was coming. It was just wind What's up, Donna? You're not gonna go outside and eat tonight? I don't blame you. So, I mean, that's really what's going on today. I ain't been doing much of anything, to tell you the truth. Just trying to get those pipes thawed out. So, I'm gonna head back to the house. Whew, this is crazy. What's the last time it snowed like this? I lived in Clarksville. I'm thinking it was like 2013, something like that. And all of Clarksville was shut down for about a week. I mean, we started going back to work probably 3 days after all this stuff started. I mean, the roads were just horrible. And it's kind of how it is right now. It's just, whew, it's like barely open my eyes, the snow flying in it. I guess it's a good thing it's President's Day and everything else is pretty much closed off. I don't know. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, baby. Whew. On the old Kubota BX23s, baby. Get out here and get on the road, clear some of this snow off. It'd probably melt away in the next 2-3 days, but I decided to get out here and help old Mother Nature and get some of this off here, baby. Woo. So just a second ago, you guys saw me doing the street, plowing that, but I got to get in here, get these guys fed, and I gotta take water into the ladies. Our pipes are still, well, I should say our hose is still frozen that comes over to the pole barn. However, the trough that all the guys drink out of, it is thawed, and I put water jugs in there so that they will stay thawed and it won't freeze. But I gotta get in here and give the other goats water and goat. I would say that's the only downside for us right now. We weren't prepared for the weather. Again, this is an anomaly. Last time, I think, like I said before, was 2014. So as you can see, everybody in here is doing well. Next. He was eating my shirt. Moo moo. And is yours Moo-Moo's baby? Yeah. No. He's Mama's buck, huh? That's right. There's Moo-Moo's baby. She's starting to get some spots on her. It's pretty neat. Butter, we believe, is pregnant. Her belly's getting a little big, but like I said, that's Buck. And that's Sheila's babies, and of course Sheila's right there. Old Stacy, Belle, old Bambi. All right, so it appears as though Stacy had a baby, and it was stillborn. So wasn't quite sure she was pregnant. Now I thought, well, I think Butter is. I'm going to keep a close eye on her for next week or so. Her belly is definitely larger. We shall see. We did not know Stacy was pregnant, though. She's very little, so it's kind of, I guess it was a little harder to tell. And unfortunately, losing a baby, you know, it's not how you want things to go. So, but we'll keep a close eye on her, make sure she's doing all right, and we'll go from there. I fed everybody, gave water, and that's going to be it for this video, guys. This weekend on Sunday, I'm going on a snow goose hunt. So you'll see this video on Monday, and hopefully Thursday I can get the snow goose video up. Again, it's going to be with the Wounded Warrior Project and a lot of those guys that you saw on the pheasant hunt. It's one of those things that for the past year I've missed. I mean, more than what I ever imagined. So, but that's it, guys. If you could one last time, come over here, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, give me some wild comments. Y'all are crazy. I love you. We love you. And we'll see you on the next video.